The benefits of having a niche, growing your YouTube channel. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to success in the world of YouTube. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important aspect that can significantly impact your channel's growth and success, having a niche. Defining your niche or target audience can bring numerous benefits that will help you foster relationships, improve your sales pitch, and establish yourself as an expert in your chosen field. So, let's dive in and explore the advantages of having a niche on YouTube. Segment 1. Narrowing your focus. One of the primary benefits of having a niche on YouTube is that it narrows your focus to a specific audience. By targeting a particular segment of the market, you can tailor your content to meet their specific interests and needs. This focused approach helps you connect with your viewers more effectively and build a dedicated community. Expert interview. We reached out to a successful YouTuber, Sarah, who runs a fitness channel with a niche focus on high-intensity workouts. Sarah: Hi, everyone. Having a niche has been a game changer for me. By focusing on high-intensity workouts, I can cater to a specific audience who are passionate about intense fitness routines. It allows me to engage with my viewers more personally and build strong relationships faster. Segment 2. Improving sales pitch and profits. Another significant advantage of having a niche on YouTube is that it can improve your sales pitch and ultimately boost your profits. When you understand your niche audience's wants, needs, and preferences, you can create products or services that resonate with them. Expert interview. Let's hear from Mark, a YouTuber who specializes in product reviews within the tech niche. Mark, thanks for having me. Niche targeting has been pivotal in my success. By engaging with my viewers and understanding their desires, I can introduce relevant products and services at the right time. This not only improves my sales pitch, but also increases my profits as I deliver what my audience truly wants. Segment 3. Establishing expertise and building trust. One remarkable benefit of having a niche on YouTube is that it establishes you as an expert in your chosen field. By consistently creating content within your niche, you position yourself as a thought leader, earning the trust and respect of your viewers. Expert interview. We spoke with Jenna, a travel vlogger who has built her channel around sustainable tourism. Jenna: Hey, everyone. Specializing in sustainable tourism has allowed me to become a go-to resource in this field. Viewers trust my expertise and recommendations, and that has helped me grow my following more easily. By being an authority in your niche, you attract like-minded individuals who appreciate your knowledge. As we conclude this video, we've explored the benefits of having a niche on YouTube. Narrowing your focus allows you to connect with your target audience more effectively, improving engagement and community growth. Understanding your niche helps you tailor your products and services, leading to a more impactful sales pitch and increased profits. Lastly, specializing in a niche establishes you as an expert and thought leader, building trust and expanding your following more easily. Host: Remember, finding your niche is a journey of self-discovery and audience understanding. So, go ahead and define your niche to unleash the true potential of your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, keep creating amazing content and watch your channel soar. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.